The message of angel number 444. It's common knowledge that the angel's employment of special numerical sequences to guide humans in the right route has significant metaphysical weight. It's possible that important changes may occur in your life if you keep running across numbers like 444. Therefore, you may be wondering what the significance of the angel number 444 is. The highest qualities, including health and intuition, bravery and integrity, honesty and innate intelligence, are all associated with the angel number 444. Angels are assuring you of their unwavering love and support by providing you with this number. Read this article to learn more about the significance of the number 444. The most significant spiritual dimensions of this astounding number are explored. Let's not waste any more time, let's begin right now. The sacred symbolism of the angel number 444. Number 444 is a powerful angel number that brings revelation, restoration, and direction from on above. If angels sense that you are feeling uneasy and in need of support, they will often provide you this phone number. This number has a close association with those who are diligent and do not give up easily. The number 444 is reassuring, because it tells you that your efforts are being applauded by the holy creatures of the universe. God or the universe will always reward a person for giving their all in this life. Angels will do everything they can to guide you in the right direction. The message of angel number 444 is that you should get your ideals and beliefs in line with those of the universe. Trust your gut and act on your first impulses whenever possible. Instinctual advice is always there, even if you don't always recognize it. It is via synchronicity that the universe tries to get your attention and guide you toward what is best for you. Thus, be receptive to the instruction you get, and watch for indications and signals. There is a need to harmonize your soul with the celestial powers above. Though your guardian angels mean well, it is up to you to pay attention to them and follow their guidance. Paying close attention to your feelings and intuition is crucial now more than ever since you are on the road to self-realization.